I'm Boxer the Bear, and I'm back again. I made me a new video, want to show off my new clothes. Here's my pet. This is Little Saurus. He kind of rides in my pocket. He does too. I like my overalls. Woo, woo, woo. Mommy got them for me. She got them at the Build-A-Bear store. I love my mama. Get that there. Get that there. Get that there. Gonna get all the love. 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 Watch for me some more because I'll have more videos now because I got the clothes for it. There I go. Oh, you be good, happy boys and girls out there now. Here I go. Box the Bear. Poof. Bye-bye.